We're learning about flow of the program. Here I have an expression example. After users entering this expression, we need to erase all spaces in the expression. So we have this expression like this. Okay, next we need to find the deepest brackets. You see here there are 3 couples of brackets and one of them is level 2. And that is the deepest couple of brackets. We extract this small expression to calculate first. We have 2 operators. Those are minus and multiplication sign, but I get plus instead of minus, and keep the 3 negative. Because it has plus and multiplication sign, so we need to implement the multiplication first. We have negative 3 times 6 equals negative 18. So there is 1 plus sign left. Then 2 plus negative 18 equals negative 16. Okay, we got the result of negative 16 of the small expression, so then we replace the old small expression with this result, and you notice that before the old small expression there is a plus sign because our result is negative, so we remove this plus sign. Okay, similar to the next steps. Next, I will show you the code. Very short, right? Okay, I will shot each part of code you can see, or maybe you can find the code by the link.